joined with political parties, but we see ourselves under one identity as Sierra Leonean. And one way of we will achieve that day, now for that we get a national peace and national peace and a peace and national cohesion commission. And for that we establish that commission, we need to get a national dialogue forum where we bring Sierra Leoneans and for that we talk about this country. But for that the agenda for that national dialogue forum need to be informed by a national consultation of all the districts in this country. We did so today, the national consultation, for talk with Sierra Leoneans across the board. For them tell we, waiting they want for them again at the national dialogue forum. We will all get for talk as Sierra Leoneans about what we want Salone for being so that we get peace and national cohesion.
Okay, so only Makini do this, so it's all about
the 16 districts of this country, as they tell you, so they're all there right now. This same meeting, then all the 16 districts in this country, because we decided to get this date. Today, the 23rd March, 1991, now Indian fired the first gunshot in Bumaru. We start the war, the 11-year-old war in this country. And with a lot of things that the TRT report tell you about the things that we caused the war. And many people don't see some of them things and they still in the society. They still they get an impact on the society. So for we as a ministry, if the president don't make a policy pronunciation, for say indeed, the first thing we take, he agrees say there is a political divide, there is a tribal divide, there is a regional divide. It takes a leader for take that. Once we don't get that, they make the pronouncement for now we get a platform where we can dialogue, we can discuss. So today now we get across the 16 districts then, for that we first of all get the district the new opinion, we for feed into the national agenda.
All right, so what do you try for achieve?
What we try for achieve that for that we get a one Sierra Leone. A country where we get national cohesion, where we see ourselves as Sierra Leonean. When it comes to politics, we are APC, we are SLP, we are NGC, we are PDP and the rest. We are Timini, Kranko, Fula, Mende, Madingo, where we find ourselves in our communities. But when it comes for the agenda of Sierra Leone, we see ourselves as Sierra Leonean. Now that's what we try for achieve.
Where the people and the participants be there around, we said say some of the things that when they make the war, the kind of 11-year civil war still happen. So why make this term when one can get an engagement with different stakeholders? We will still not say then same thing and still carry on.
Thank you very much. You know what we also call the drivers of conflict, the things the way they make palaver come. Yeah? The politics, the fact they happen in politics, we can see people infect themselves. I will tell you, I will challenge you if you listen to the discussion, you will find out say some of them problems they come up from the family. Then they use the platform for politics for those faith defense. But not to the political party themselves say defense. No political, there is no time you don't see a political party don't put a press release for telling people that they don't go fight. Yeah? But me and you, within the same family, we get problems until Papa left land or he left house. Problem don't they? You go to APC because you know say you get somebody there. Me they go to SLP because I get somebody there. So when politics come, we use that platform they for tell us I pass you. Let me say tell us I pass you. I need the fact to come out. So they use the platform, the political platform, for let we engage in conflict. But the cause of the conflict is they far back to what they happen at the communities. Then paramount chief elections. Now they sit and they say, well, I go to APC, but I say APC, then I go to SLPP. When you know win, when the politics and then the all man is fine for fan winner for their good defeat in combi for say I get power pass you, I get power pass you. That's just that.
So what's next after this?
After this the agenda for the National Dialogue Forum now in the phone. I think this consultation the informal. Because we no one decide as a ministry waiting for go talk na the agenda. Many people they waiting to come out from here. For example, one of the issues don't be come out and say the sacking, when they sack people and then they replace. It's an issue. Let we go to the dialogue. Let we go now to the dialogue. Let's discuss this so it can be an agenda. Like what I talked just now. Do we need every 5 years where the government can then count the development agenda, or do we need to get a 50-year development agenda? So if we say for the next 50 years, education for be number one, any government will they come. They make sure see you do the can for do the things for make education continue for improve. And not of country, no, we don't want education and agriculture want. Do we need that? So if they come out of this program, now indeed inform the agenda for the National Dialogue Forum.
So the one that will not come, waiting if you say nine for the message to them, more especially with an SLPP driven project, then people will look at it and say it is political.
Thank you very much for that. Regardless, no matter how you say, now SLPP now then give me appointment. So I'm SLPP. So my first priority is SLPP. And you can't change it, yeah? But Sierra Leone is my identity. And that's why we bring the all political party association come inside. We represent all the 17 political parties. like Mr. Jonathan Sandode inside, he's the chair and flag bearer of Union Political Party. And they're all there with Winaya because we feel, see, the section 35C of the Constitution of Sierra Leone clearly established the mandate of political parties to go beyond just elections, but therefore also contribute for providing reliable and relevant information for the people therefore make informed decisions. They're also for helping the development agenda of the country and for therefore shape the democratic process of the country. And this what they do so is part of the democratic process, dialogue and engagement. So we get them. We get the National Commission for Democracy. We get the Peace and Conflict Department of Fobe College. Then they with we. We get the African Peer Review Mechanism where they represent the African Union. Then at the final, then the chair, this technical team. You understand? We get the civil society organization where represented by AMNET. Then they with we. So everybody is represented there because at the technical team, once information say, may everybody get a voice. May they not say it's an agenda. Yes, now the president make the policy pronouncement, but it is responsibility for every Sierra Leonean for make them a reality because peace and national cohesion now the only thing we go make get development in this country.
Quick one, how will I do for getting documents? After this kind of process we are going to go on through.
We already don't put together a team of eminent personalities from diverse backgrounds under peace and conflict. You understand? This team get for Sidon, then they catalog all what in then they talk here so at district level, put at district level. Then we will begin look at now what's not the problem within at Bombali, what's not the issues within at Tonkolili. Once we get them, then if we see commonalities among them, so until we get out of the 16 districts, we say 10 districts talk about this shark business, it become an issue for the agenda. So you see how we get for do and so you get for the most prominent issues where they come out of the district now in the inform the agenda for the national dialogue.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.